Hey RV people, so we're done camping for the year. The next couple videos are going to be me kind of getting the trailer ready to be stowed into storage. So yeah, Minnesota is going to get cold. I think next week our highs up here will be in the 50s, probably in the high 30s at night. So it really is time to just make sure everything's winterized and squared away for storage. So I'm just grabbing some water right now, and then we'll see you back up front. One of the things that I got as an add-on when I bought the trailer was something called Resistol. At the time it seemed to make sense, but we'll see like really how it pays off over time. So the idea behind Resistol is that there is a layer of wax or something that's supposed to help make it much easier to clean the surface of the travel trailer, both on the outside, and then I got the surface on the inside, and so we'll see if it makes a big difference. But here is the front of the trailer. I don't know if you can see that, but that's from a month of bug killing. And then on the sides though, the sides look okay. I don't know if you can see it as I walk by, but a nice once over wouldn't be too bad. But yeah, well, we could get going. This is the Eversprout RV washing kit, I guess. But this thing extends up to 12 feet. So there is a little adjuster here. Right now, if I just stand it up here, it's probably about 6-7 feet maybe, and then it goes up from there. So we're gonna use this. I got some cold water. The benefit of the Resistol is that you could just use a layer of cold water and then everything should come off pretty easily. So we'll see how it goes. We'll do a once over. So we'll start from the outside and then we'll move our way inside, because you want to make sure that the fridge is clean and all that good stuff as well. But we'll get started here. Okay, we're inside the RV. So there's a few things we want to do in here. First is I want to wipe down the refrigerator. And then I have a couple things that I got to help keep it open. So here's door prop 1. And no mold. So we'll see which one of these works. Got my Dyson here, we'll do some vacuuming. Otherwise I did some cleaning on my way back from Maryland, but we'll probably do a wipe down a little bit, grab some of the stuff that we want to bring inside, and then we should be good to go. Here we go. So you see the little crack up in the freezer section. Here's the fridge door, and then you can see the blue part is in there. And then you have this little stopper right here. So hopefully that works. Okay, we've got some leftover propane that I'll take out just to be safe. I know propane's pretty good about being in cold weather, but you know, better safe than sorry. That's just gonna be on me. We have mechanicals here. Not really sure if we should remove it, but I have some pots that we used. This is Michelle's blender. I have our electric tea kettle, so Those have been staples for us throughout the season. Otherwise, it's pretty empty in here. Come down here. There's, I don't know why we have this, but I guess we'll take this out. This surge protector. So we'll take that out. You see, we have a RV lock that I never installed that. So we should probably do that heading into next season. So, other than that, I think we're good here. Let's just go ahead and put this down here. Here's our pantry. Got some slippers. We can keep those there. These are paper towels and stuff. These cups. This seasoning we'll probably just bring inside because it's really good. Yep, we have hand soap that we'll take out. Dishwashing liquid. And we have all-purpose cleaner. And some avocado oil spray. But other than that, you see there's just more papers in there. So we are good here. And then what do we have here? We have this empty. We have our bedding. And that's good. Nothing major here. We have our vacuum. The lower storage. And we have our fan. I think those could stay. I think they'll be alright. So yeah, so I think that's really all we have. We should be in a good place. Alright, well, that's cleaning the inside. Next part is gonna be going to actually winterize. So I think to do that I might just book I have a really nice campground. It's like 10 minutes away, and it's full hookups, whatever, and we're gonna use that as an opportunity to just go and dump everything, flush everything, sanitize, and then winterize. So we'll see you there.